Guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of the comments and all of the festivities that happened on the previous video, and I'm hoping that you do enjoy this challenge. So again, like always, let's do one challenge online. It's called Stuck With Me. It's called Stuck With Me, and who want to try it? Well, me want to try it because me know. Yes? Why? Because it's fun. And it shows how in sync you are, and it also shows, like, you know, can we do stuff together? Are you stuck with me? Alright, that is it. So guys, this channel is called The Morgan's Legacy. Remember to hit the like, share and subscribe button. We do appreciate everybody that has been rocking with us from day one. We love and appreciate. Oh no, but we'll get other people to join the family, okay? And have a wonderful, happy Sunday. Alright, let's get down to the meat of the matter. So I have my shirt. I have my shirt. Alright, we are going to put on our shirt. Come on. Down with Eda put off. Our cameraman is behind the scene.
A bit. Daddy, it's up or daddy?
Daddy, Eda go all this stuff and make it a little bit taller than me. Come.
So come and push me on.
Yeah, I'm going to take the side and I'm going to take the side. No, next hand.
So?
Yeah. Turn it go through now.
Oh, you told me not to go through this, yeah?
I hear it, somebody. Come on. Come. Woo. Try. Oh God. We're really stuck. Then could use what assistant to pull on the side. Oh my God. Maybe you get 204.
I remember me at 200 and
You are 200, 454. This is together.
no man.
Get this hand, Josh. Get this hand. Is that too much? Oh my God. You're hitting me.
Oh, me behind. I'm behind.
Stop all the picture.
Just cut it further, sir. Oh my God. This is the longest cutting. Wait. You feel like a better round?
Not even
Let me
know.
cut it back.
Look man, what's the use on difference? We don't have a big one.
See the biggest shirt is now. Alright.
Good now?
Yeah. Alright, Ralph.
Alright.
Perfect, Ralph. Come. You good? Alright, come. Alright. Yeah, guys, so again, we're stuck with each other. Come right here.
This part stop.
Come in.
Alright, let's say first challenge is what?
Open a cry.
Opening a bottle. So simple. Simple. We can match this. Come, we will take the bottom. Got it. Got it. Hold it right. Hold it right. Hold us, hold it right. We got it. Got it.
Now take a
Alright.
sip.
So you sip first before you give me a sip.
Alright.
See that? Easy as pie. Next.
Next one is putting on a backpack.
Putting on a backpack. Okay, Ralph, this is the backpack.
Yeah.
Come. Swing it. Wait. Oh, Jesus. Well, put it on first.
Don't uncoverage your
We can't cross each other. Come on, get on chest now. Wait, go on.
You can't.
You can't go on. You can't go over.
It's not gonna make.
It's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work at all. Wear shoes. Try to put on my shoes.
Alright.
Oh, God. Alright, we can sit down?
Yeah.
You got it off? You don't got it enough? Who's gonna get that? Alright, go on. Let me help you. And then you help me.
Hold on. Look. Lower it on it. So.
Yeah. foot. Put on my foot, make people them see so you got it.
Yay!
You
got it in the car left on this. We got it, man. We got it, John. John, we got it. Got it. We sweat, but we got it. Yeah. Alright. Can't chat to it. See that? We do that good. Well, what anything else you want us to do while we're stuck together? Betting.
got it.
Shoes.
Look like you want to do your chores. This feel like you want to do your chores, Daddy. Alright, run the polish and the brush. And the shoes. Run slow back on me dizzy.
Come on.
Yeah.
The neck tight.
Neck tight, man.
I don't shoes.
Take it up on the bottom. So, what kind of challenge you know we have to work together? You brush me, you will. Because I can't do 2 foot with a polish. No, man, Roger, man. No, man. This I get from bad to worse. I use it, I use it. This up. And pop. Good. Turn it back in up to his side. I'm hungry right now. Alright. Get more of the shoes. You go now. That is it. That is it, Ral.
That is it for
You
sure.
don't tell us how we can do it. We in sync, you know, man. Yeah. All the thing we can do is put on the bag, go fat. Put your back now. Put your back. Yeah. Yeah. See that boy, John? We match up that.
Yeah.
We match you up. Yeah.
No matter what.
We match.
And
What
then
you mean?
shoot
That is it.
No, it's back, man. It's back.
Okay, we do it, man. We do it.
You want to try to put on a hoodie?
No.
No.
We can't put on nothing more. Just we barely hold like this. Well. The only thing we can say for this challenge that we need to do is do some weight. Yeah. We need to really take it, you know,
Serious.
serious. We are going to skip and eat better.
No, but we do.
Well, you have to eat better to lose it. You can't just eat what you want to eat and get it
Alright,
if
you have
it's
to
what
eat
you
better.
want. Yeah. So, that is it. We just have to eat better and exercise. We cannot handle it getting the exercise because we have real busy days. But we can do it. If we try hard enough, we can do it. It's really cool, so we need to lose some weight. It's on the last week challenge.
Yes. Very
Yeah.
much. Very much so.
Yeah. Because
What's the come to shop me can lift your arm?
this come to show me can't lift me up and run. You have to lift me in prayer. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. So, okay. Alright, so that is it, guys. That's it. We're gonna take it serious. Me already. Easy for me to eat better. Easy for me to eat better. See problem here? Carol is like a bad influence. You know then you say like, oh, one feel something that is really nice. I say, no, Vanessa. No. You know? You actually want what you want. You can't tell me no, you know? You tell me say what I want.
Why would I say no?
Instead of encourage me. So that we need to do to each other now. Can we unstuck now?
Right, no one that.
Can we unstuck?
Yeah, try unstuck.
Oh,
Neck.
something.
Why? Yeah. So that's what we need to do. We need to work on with health in terms of like losing some weight, eating better, and exercising. Yeah. So guys, that was it. That was it for today's challenge. It's called Stuck with Me. Not called. No, Stuck with Me. So yeah, stuck on me, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. As always,
Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell her.
friend, and
Tell her.
another friend, auntie, uncle, cousin. Yeah. Share it in our WhatsApp group them. Until next week Sunday, kind of every Sunday we're gonna try one different internet challenge, right? And then during the weekend or our regular days in the life, But every Sunday we go and try a different internet challenge. For now, we don't know how far this is going to go because we already a hang, the head lick. We don't know what else to come. I don't know what else to come. But we're going to try it.
Yeah, I get the rough part is
I'm getting the blunt of it. I'm getting the blunt of it. So unfair.
Oh shit.
Alright. So until next week. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, remember to comment down below which challenge you want us to try next. Yeah. Leave some suggestions.
Eat good, walk good, stay healthy.